Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly
Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then welcome. Today we're gonna create this intricate looking updo, but trust me, it's much easier to recreate than it looks. So if you wanna know how to recreate this voluminous and elegant updo, keep on watching.
First we'll select our top section. I leave some hair out, frame my face, and we will tie it using a clear elastic, creating a ponytail. Then you want to loosen it a little bit. Also, I'll use a bobby pin to fix it in place because I feel that it's not very secure. And then you want to select another section right below first one and make another ponytail as well. So in total we'll have 4 ponytails. So again, third one and our fourth one. So when our ponytails are ready, you want to grab first one, divide it into 2, crisscross them and pin them in place like I'm showing. This way we'll create our volume for our bun. So we want to repeat these steps with all our 4 ponytail. We will divide our ponytail into 2, crisscross them and pin it in place like that. Now I want to grab 2 sections from our first 2 ponytails, hiding the ends. We want to pin it in place, creating a loop. Then grabbing the opposite 2 sections, we want to bring them through first loop and pin it in place as well. So now we will repeat these steps but from opposite side. So we'll grab 2 sections from our 2 last ponytails, making a loop. We want to pin it underneath, and then we want to select our opposite one and bring it through this loop.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
Loosen it a little bit to make it full and voluminous. Now we want to use some grips to fix our bun in place and hide our gaps. Like you see here, I have some gaps. I'm using grips to fix them, but you can use bobby pins as well to fix it well in place. If you need, you can use some hairspray and you're done.
And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. And guys, love you so much. See you soon in my next video. Mwah!
Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the